Hello, judges. My name is Keming. I'm from team number 40 with my partner Jalen, and we are here to tackle the hammer challenge. So essentially, this challenge has three parts. We are first to use plasticine to kind of mimic making forging a custom part, and then we are to show the results, including the steps, and then finally we are to show a system of analyzing and tracking how strain on a two-dimensional is affecting our part. So why is metamorphic manufacturing very important? Because it can create very high quality, very high strength parts in very small batches, perfect for military, perfect for aviation, perfect for space. Basically these high value, high stake industries, really useful for those. So I want to give a really quick shout out to my partner Jalen. He's currently up to work. We have to overcome a lot of time scheduling as well as technical difficulties, so he's really been helpful and supportive. Huge shout out to him. And in fact, Jalen was actually the mastermind behind coming up, choosing and coming up with our mock automobile piston connecting rod, the mini version. You might notice that we're missing a hole in the middle. That's for post-processing. We are able to really get down the shape with the time constraint we have, and we managed to get a 3D scan of it. You can see top, front, left, right, and the asymmetric view. So the instruction set are in the docs folder in the shared GitHub repository. So now I want to introduce you to our custom tool for analyzing strain that will really help these robotic tools to apply the right amount of force and to when manufacturing. So we are able to create a website that you can actually go to. If you go to the GitHub repository, it's linked on the homepage of the repository. It's right here. And then it has a instruction set. You can actually interact with it and annotate multiple images, and all of those points that you annotate gets recorded, and then automatically the trend has been analyzed and the data automatically visualized for you. And the best thing about this is that at the end of it all, you get to export the data in two different formats. We have JSON and we have CSV. And all you need to do to run an analysis is as simple as just reflecting the page. We really hope that you found this interesting, and thank you for the opportunity. This is Team 40 for Hammer Challenge.